Okay, and we are recording. Alexa.
Hi.
Hi.
Sorry.
So is that box nice and light?
Oh my god, it's super heavy.
It's gold.
Oh, oh my goodness. You're rich.
It's always so quiet when we do these videos.
What?
It's always so quiet when we do these videos.
We should have put on some music or something.
Go ahead, Alexa.
Ugh.
Sing.
Oh my gosh. Are you
I
giving that
see
to the
you.
dog?
Stop.
No.
I see you both.
Oh my gosh. Maybe I should have opened the box first before you started recording. Max, you
Don't
better
stab
watch
your
out.
face.
Oh my gosh. Sorry.
Max, no.
Go away. Oh my god.
Max, get down. Oh. Don't hurt yourself now.
Oh, here we go.
I got this. I got this. Almost.
Gosh. Really?
Of course.
Am I opening up the bottom?
I don't know.
I am.
It's okay. Use your scissors.
No, use your muscles.
Jeez Louise. I hope I don't need to store whatever's in here again.
Another one. It's like
this a
Uncle
joke?
Ernie. It's like Uncle
a
Ernie's
joke?
Christmas present that one year in that huge box. Do you need help?
Yes.
Flip the box over into your lap so it comes right out.
Yes, and then all this white stuff's gonna come out.
Susie, that's okay. See? Do you like how I help you?
Thanks.
Do you need help you do it?
Oh my gosh. This is, thank you.
This is the best box I've ever gotten.
Jeez, didn't taste that good.
Okay. Round 2.
Let's see who wins.
Oh, I'm gonna win.
Maybe like an hour.
Boy, QVC really wrapped this stuff up good. Oh my gosh, look at my clothes.
It's okay. It's snowing in here, okay? That's part of your present. You know how much you like snow.
She's making it snow.
Whew.
Alexa, go get some money and make it rain.
What is this? Oh, is it?
Oh.
Is this Temptations?
Open it, I don't know.
Mm.
Actually, I think I do now. The questions make sense.
Oh my gosh, how pretty.
I love it.
No.
Aww.
Maybe that's why it's so heavy.
Gosh, it was way heavy. It's the Reed and Barton set, isn't it?
I don't
Let me
know.
look.
Pull it all out. I want to see.
No, pull it out.
Hold on.
Jeez.
Let's see. Oh, it's the Isaac Mizrahi 92 piece flatware set by Reed and Barton.
You win. Now let's see.
Let's see. Look how cool this
It looks like a shell,
scalloped,
yeah. Max.
There's 2
Max is
spoons
excited
like
too.
that. Wow, look how cool. And they're pretty sturdy. Holy cannoli, look at this. I'm gonna whoop you, Alexa.
¿Quieres la cuchara?
Yeah.
Now say your part.
Soup.
Oh my gosh.
Say your part that you said to Grandpa.
What? Una pela? that what she said? He said.
Yeah. And what'd you say?
I want that like a pear. Wow. This is pretty. Thank you. There's 92 pieces that I'm going to go through in here. Oh, we finally got more forks.
No, we don't need more forks. We need more spoons.
There's probably that in there too. Thank you for Susie's present.
12 of them.
Yay!
Oh, they're very nice.
Try and bend it. Just kidding.
Come on. I'm strong. Didn't you see me open this box?
No.
It's raining.
Thank you. I know.
Raining, pouring, no man's snoring. Dana?
We'll get to use this for starting out.
Parties!
Oh, I hope this can go in the dishwasher.
We'll look it up.
Thank you. Love it.
Keep going through it or say bye.
Bye.
And look, it's all changing out there.
Look how pretty this one is. It's got like a little flower shape
Mm-hmm.
for the slotted spoons. It's cute.
Look. It's tell you Vando, but you can't really see, so yeah.
Open the door.
It's okay.
No.
Okay. Bye again.
Bye.
Bye. Thank you.